Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 81 to the power of n minus 36 to the power of n is equal to 16 to the power of n, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we will divide both of the sides by 16, then it will becomes in this form 81 to the power of n over 16 to the power of n minus 36 to the power of n over 16 to the power of n is equals to 16 to the power of n over 16 to the power of n. And now in the next step we will use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of n over b to the power of n, it is equals to a over b and its whole power n. So now we can use here this nice exponential law. So the terms in the left hand side will becomes in the form of 81 over 16 to the power of n minus here we have 36 over 16 to the power of n, and this whole is equals to, these two are cancelled by each other, and we will get here equals to 1. Now you can just focus on the left hand side, and here we have 81, and we will write this 81 as 9 square and its whole power 9 square. Over here you have 16, and we write 16 as 4 square. So we can write 9 square over 4 square and its whole power n, minus here we will divide these terms by 4. So you get here 4 9s are 36 and 4 4s are 16. So you will get here 9 over 4 and its whole power n, and this is equals to 1. So now here we again use the nice exponential law, and we will combine the exponent of these two terms, and you will get here 9 over 4 and its whole square and its whole power n minus 9 over 4 and its whole power n, and this equation is equals to 1. So in the next step we will again use here another nice exponential law, and this law is about if we have a to the power of m and its whole power n, so it is equals to a to the power of n and its whole power m. So it means that if you can interchange these two exponents, then it cannot be affected our final answer, and this is whole is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we can apply this nice exponential law in the first term, so that its first term will becomes in the form of 9 over 4 and its whole power n and its whole square minus 9 over 4 and its whole power n, and its right hand side will becomes equals to 1. And now we will just convert this nice exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that here we can just take y is equals to 9 over 4 and its whole power n. So when you can put 9 over 4 to the power of n is equals to y, then this whole equation will becomes in the form of y square minus y, and we move this 1 in the left hand side, and you get minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now here you have the exponential equation converted into the nice quadratic form. So now we can solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So now here we use the nice quadratic formula, and you know that we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, and c is equals to minus 1, and our quadratic formula will be written in the form of y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. So this is our nice quadratic formula, and now we can put all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and you will get its output in the form of y is equals to minus times of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, and b is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is minus 1 and this whole over 2 over 1. And now we can just simplify the terms, and you will get here 1 plus minus minus 1 square will becomes plus 1, and this is minus minus 4 plus 4 and its whole square root over 2. So now we will just simplify the terms, and you will get here y is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So here we have two cases. The first case is we can write positive term, and its second case is we can just write the negative term, which is 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And now we can put the values of y here. So in the start of the question we will take here y is equals to 9 over 4 and its whole power n is equals to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So here you see that its right hand side is negative and left hand side is positive, so that we will just rejected this case, because it is not possible an exponential function is equals to some negative value. So now we can just proceed here this case only. So here you have 9 over 4 and its whole power n is equals to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now we will just divide 9 over 4, and we can just solve 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and you will get here 9 over 4 is 2.25 and its whole power n is equals to 1 plus square root 5 over 2 is equals to 1.618. So now we can take the log on both of the sides, so that it will be written as log of 2.25 and its whole power n is equals to log 1.618. So now we can move this n in the front of this log, and you will get n times of log 2.25 is equals to log 1.618. So after using the calculator you will easily get the values of these logs, and you will get here 0.3521 is equals to 0.2089, and we move this value on the right hand side, and you will just get here n is equals to 0.2089 over 0.3521. So after dividing these two values you will finally get its answer is 0.5935. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.